yesterday was, say good morning, Maddie. Hi. So we're at Lowe's because I'm redoing my bathroom. I already put the floor down. I didn't even show you guys anything, but we're at Lowe's because I have to come get grout. I wasn't going to grout the floor at all whatsoever, but I figured I would grout it. So I'm here to get grout. I'm here to pick up grout. So I'm going to take coming up in today's vlog so we can, you know, go through the journey together, because I don't know why I didn't pick up the camera yesterday. I was just too busy, anxious, anxiety got the best of me. I just wanted it over. And you just have to realize in life, any kind of journey you go on or set out on, it's going to take a process. It's going to take a process. So just go through the process and do it right, and you'll be okay. So let's go inside Lowe's and go pick up this grout, okay? Want to go inside? No? Want to go? Your face is dirty. Yeah. Get you in the car. ASAP. Whew. Okay, so I'm done. I couldn't really record while I was in there because Maddie had to pee, all kind of stuff. So, washer fluid level low. Okay, couldn't really record because Maddie, and then while I was in there, I got my period. So now I gotta go home. So I don't know. This is just a horrible day. I got a headache. Let's go home. Okay, guys, so I started the floor. Look at that. Look how perfect that is. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, so I just got that little piece back there to do, and then the door right here. So let me show you guys what I purchased from Lowe's. Don't mind my trash. So I got saddle gray grout. I got this grout trout thingy, and then I have this thing for the door right here. I'm gonna do that. And what else? And that's it. And then the sponge. So let's get the grout in. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let me get good lighting for you guys. I feel like, all right, this is good. This is perfect. So good morning. It's been a hot minute. My house is a hot mess. How about right here, and a little bit of the lemon right there. So good morning, guys. I've been renovating my bathroom since Monday, and today is Thursday. Hubby said no more spending, so I got bags under my eye. I'm tired. Hubby said no more spending, so I'm gonna finish up the painting. Right now I'm getting Jackson's breakfast together because we ran out of bread. Whoa. But anyways, the last two videos that I did, you guys were so kind with your comments. Hi, good morning, Jordan. Good morning. Okay, do you have something to say?
When you're recording right now, it looks like the sun is in the background.
Okay. And you guys were really nice and supportive with your comments, and I do appreciate them. You guys were really sweet. Most of the comments were like, you're a good mother. I appreciate the comments, but I try. Let's just say that. So let's get out of here. Hope you guys are having an amazing Thursday. It's the day before Friday, so it's Friday Eve. So with that said, let's tackle this day, guys. Good morning, guys. Say good morning. Look at Maddie.
Oh, I'm sitting here.
Look at them bows in our hair. I'm gonna show you guys when they come out. I found some bows at Walmart. They were like $2 for 5, which is not a bad buy. So I grabbed them up. I think I'm gonna go back and get the other ones. Even though hubby said no spending. No spending! No spending! And I'm like, but honey, I can't help myself. We're back to normal. I was like, no spending! No spending! Okay, okay, husband. Okay. Why am I buckling up in the garage? And the car is not on. You got her, Mama?
Not yet, not yet. I'm almost. I got one more thing to do.
So, I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys good morning. I did that already.
Soap.
Say good morning, Jason. Good morning.
Did you cook?
Do you have your booster?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, Jordan.
His sister. Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Good
So
morning.
pretty. Maddie, you want to say good morning?
Good morning.
Oh, so sweet. I'm going to go take these kids to school, so I'll catch up with you guys later. Guys, I brought in this table that I built on Sunday, and this is not where I wanted it to go. I wanted it to go in the dining room, but I like it right here. I love it right here next to the gallery wall, and it doesn't take up much space. But I don't think my husband is gonna go for it, so I took a whole bunch of photos. And I'm gonna send it to him to see how he likes it. Let me show you guys from the other angle what it looks like. So from here, this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna build another one for this space, but a little tinier, like a little skinnier, so that it doesn't, you know, stick out too much. But I don't know, it feels cluttered. Like this feels really cluttered. This feels really cluttered to me, but at the same time it looks so cozy, and I need to change this out. But don't worry, there's gonna be a lot of changes around here. But what do you guys think? I brought this table in here to sand it because it's cold outside, but I ended up decorating it. Why? But I'm gonna show you guys it in the other space. Oh my word, guys. I thought I would never get done doing my hair. I started since the kids got home from school, and I just got done a little after 8. It took me about 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours to do my hair. Hi. Hubby brought home pizza for the kids, and yeah, I had to braid my hair back up because it was just getting dried out. I went through a tub of leave-in conditioner in the span that I took my hair out, because I was just moisturizing my hair like twice a day to keep my hair from drying out and breaking off. So I just figured it's best to put it back in braids. And I mean, I was rocking twist outs and everything, but the shrinkage on my hair was just real, where I was just looking like legit homeless half the time. So I was like, nope, braids. And yeah, so I moved the table since I last showed you guys. I moved it to the spot, so I'm gonna show you guys, and then I'm gonna end this vlog and catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the table and the spot and where it's sitting right now. I had a couple people message me on Instagram asking me to make the table for them, because she was like, we live in the same development and stuff, and I was like, oh. Yeah, so I got a few messages requesting to make the table, and I'm like, I like to make things for myself. I don't know, I'm not confident making it for others. Not that I don't believe in myself or anything like that. It's just that if something goes wrong, I'm okay with it, versus someone else paying me to do it. I have to do a really good job, and I don't like to put that kind of stress on myself because I have anxiety. So yeah, let me show you guys the table and stop rambling. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so this is where I put the table. This is where the table was built to go. And this is where it's roughed in right now. I still have to decorate for spring. but for right now, I love it. I love it, guys. Like, legit. I'm about to make some more, and then I have to make the twins bed. I'm gonna build the twins bed, so that's next up. So you guys stay tuned for that. And what else am I gonna build? I have to build a coffee table. So yeah, but that's how it turned out, and I'm so proud of myself. So proud of myself. I don't know what to do with. I think I'm gonna put a plant right here, and then a blanket ladder over there, and complete the space. And then I'm gonna redo this whole thing right here, and I'm thinking of putting drapes up, but I'm not sure yet. I really don't want to hide the frame of the window, the framing of the window. I really don't want to hide that, but yeah. But anyways, guys, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.